some of the things you'll see from our time in Rochester. We got to spend some time there with Daddy's cousin Sandra, and she showed us some of the sights from around the area. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to turn on the post notifications so you'll be notified when we post new videos. One of the meetings that Daddy had while we were in Rochester was with Pastor David of True North Church. They have finished out and are using part of their very nice facility, and they have room to expand in the future. They also have the space to be a blessing to other ministries in the area that are able to utilize their facilities. You'll notice on the banner that North Winton Village uses a unique tree as a symbol for their community. It just so happens that the tree is this tree that is on the property of True North Church. Pray for Pastor David and his congregation as they seek to reach their community with the gospel. While we were with Sandra, she took us to visit Robb Farms. There, we had our choice of a wide variety of apples. We picked more than we could possibly have eaten, but we really enjoyed this traditional fall activity, and later the delicious product of our efforts. We love to be there when they are making their apple cider donuts, but we missed out on that this time. Another fun spot we visited was Lake Ontario, our final lake to finish out our viewing of the 5 Great Lakes. The spot we were able to view the lake from is where the Genesee River empties out into the lake. They had been dredging out the river, which caused a really strange event to occur. Part of the lake was very muddy. It was interesting how the two bodies of water stayed separated and how there was such a distinct line between the water of the Genesee River and the water of Lake Ontario. We were able to walk out into the lake on the Charlotte Pier. It was exciting to be able to see the Rochester Harbor Lighthouse. After we walked out on the pier, we made our way to Ontario Beach to dip our feet into the freezing water of Lake Ontario. Daddy was enjoying the opportunity to fly the drone again and got some pretty cool shots of our time there. It's always fun to get to spend time with family while we're on the road, and we really enjoyed our time with Sandra. She did a great job of helping us get a glimpse into the culture of Rochester. And again, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel. On our way out of town, we left early enough to make a stop at a diner that we had read about. The Second Chance Diner is just outside of Syracuse, New York. We had a super yummy brunch before making our way to Vermont. I would definitely recommend this place if you're in the area and looking for a good breakfast. Thanks for joining us on this quick overview of our time in Rochester. Please remember to pray for True North Church and the work that they're doing in the Rochester area. In our next video, we'll share some of our experience in Vermont and a unique camping location we found in New Hampshire.